Hi, I'm Professor Cutting from the Fashion Design Department. I'm on the 4th floor in the library in the periodicals section. But I want to show you something that is my treasure, and it's called the Counter Pattern books. So come with me, let me share it with you. So now we are at the counter where we have the Counter Pattern books. We have here 4 major companies. One is Butterick, which I'm going to show you in a moment. And we have from the years 1975 to 2019. We have McCall's from 1991 to 2018. We have Simplicity from 1978 to 1984. And we have Vogue from 1972 to 2018. So let me introduce you to Butterick. And what's interesting about Butterick is that I was doing research for a project that I was working on, and this is from this, I needed to have the trend from the 70s. So this book is from 1975, and it was spring of 1975. So I was able to really see what the prints were like, what the hair was like for the model, what the makeup was like, what colors were very important. And then I can go to all the different categories over here, like if I was going to do some coordinated sportswear, I can see here that what the sportswear looked like and how they were really styled. So this is important for research, for someone to go back and to really look at the actual era that you want to design for and get a real sense and purpose from those years. Next, let's talk about McCall's. Each one of these books have different categories for you to take a look at. This one happens to have Halloween, and then there's different tabs for children's garments, there's home, there's dress alternatives, bridal, all different categories for you to take a look at. But one thing I want to show you that's really important is for the person who's learning how to render or to sketch or to color fabrics, and also how does it hang on the body. These books are great for you to take a look at for not only the trends for the season or the year, but as well as the sketching style. Next, we have Simplicity that was really started in the 1920s by Joseph Shapiro, and it was a way to really create clothing at an affordable price. But look at, this is from spring of 1980, and what's interesting about it, you get a chance to see the real reflection of what goes on in the 80s, and you can take a look at all the different categories that it offers, great colors. But what's really special for those who are in technical field is to understand the flat pattern making aspect of the book, and you can see how fabric really falls and hangs on the body based on that time. Different looks. And the last book that we want to show today is Vogue Patterns, and this one is from fall 2018. And what's great about the book, not only do you see again all the sketches, but they do have an archive from the earlier part of the century, so you can see how clothing was made back in the early 20s, 30s, and that's great for you to take a look for the patterns, for the shape, for the way it's rendered, the colors, everything. So it's important for you to come to the counter books on the 4th floor and use it as a resource. It's great for everyone for research, observation of trends, analytical data, and self-reflection as a designer. Thanks.